In this video, I'll show you how to change your workspace icon in Notion. This is the icon that appears next to your workspace name and helps you quickly identify it. First, go to the top left corner of Notion and click on your workspace name. From the menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the General tab. Here, you'll see your workspace icon. Click on it. You can choose an emoji, select an icon provided by Notion, or upload your own image. If you don't want an icon, you can also click Remove to clear it. Once you select an option, the icon updates instantly. There's no Save button needed. And that's how you change your workspace icon in Notion.